All right, guys, it's a chilly day here. We've got the whole team. So Jacob and Travis took out, watching my baby. They took out the transmission in this.
It's right there.
Here she is.
Nice chrome shifter.
Chrome shifter. So that's exciting.
I don't do that.
It doesn't shift well. Maybe we'll just take the shifter off of this one.
And they said these looked good. I have a coffee, so I'm not gonna look it up.
Can you grab it?
Sure. Look at this. Look at the hands I have today. I'm just sipping my coffee. Look at that.
This is the bad one too. That one's nice.
So we have options for that now.
And it's white.
And it's white,
Yeah, it matches the car.
even though I want to paint it black. But that's cool. So anywho, we have to get these cars out. We were planning on scrapping these, just taking what I would need for parts. Oh,
To go.
never mind. We thought we were gonna have a little debacle where apparently people are just stealing cars. Oh, I don't want our license plate. Stealing cars to scrap them. So we might not have been able to scrap them, but
I don't have titles.
yeah, because we don't have titles for these, but apparently they're old enough that our scrap guy can just come and take it. So we'll just rip these apart a little bit more, take what we need, call it a day. Scrapping these ugly things. I had a lot of comments on these. Who on earth would want them? I don't know. So I'm gonna just take the glass out of here because, as you know, mine is broken. So we'll just take the glass out, and then that will be it for these little builds, or for these parts cars. What would you call it?
Scrap.
Scrap, yeah, scrap cars.
Yep. Now do the inside of that same side. Nope. From here.
This way?
Yeah, so cut down. Or up, whichever one you think is more comfortable. Yeah, see it pulling out?
How freezing do I look?
Yeah, a little cold.
Can I just rip this now?
You can? Yeah, you can cut that.
Probably can't pull it, right?
Not the whole thing though, because it's not cut yet. You'll end up breaking the glass.
Yeah.
So now you just gotta do it everywhere.
Do you have another one of these?
You can do.
Did I turn that on?
I don't know.
My phone?
Yes. This corner's tricky, huh? Watch it out. Don't want to tweak the glass at all.
Yeah, then maybe that's good over here. What about scissors? Just cut this right.
Just
Push it out.
skewered.
We have what happened last time in our heads about this cracking. We're leaving putting it in my car to the professionals, but this is obviously not professional. Don't be too rough now.
I'm just rough on the seal, not rough on it.
Yeah, I'm on the phone.
Don't worry about it. It's broken.
The glass?
Yeah.
Try the other one.
Why?
It was stuck to the seal. I was only prying on the rubber. And it's just broken. I can't. Glass. One more chance. The $500 piece of glass.
Yeah, Travis.
You get it out without breaking it. Try it. Apparently not easy. It's ridiculous.
Well, I guess that will just be another broken reel.
Another whoopsie.
What the hell?
See what I'm saying? It shouldn't be stuck like this. The seal should just be the seal.
It's wicked old too, though.
Huh?
Tap the top like that.
No, thank you.
Oh.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
It doesn't matter.
Hi.
It's just fart.
You want me to tap it around here with a hammer or something?
Thank you.
Come out.
Thank you.
Yeah, no.
Come on. You gotta get out of here.
Well, there it is.
I bought these for the windshield.
Too dangerous.
Knuckle.
Yeah.
Getting hit on stuff.
Dangerous.
In the trap, I guess. Open it up.
Did you get it? Oh.
See if there's a better way to do it. I mean, still, you're gonna have to cut the.
No. Oh.
He just lets someone inside that thing.
Hold on.
At least it's still light.
Okay, so that obviously broke. We have a bad track record with that. So they're gonna test out the back.
The back one's probably just gonna come out
Probably.
after this seal is off.
Yeah, this one looks like really easy.
Before we go to the white one.
We should take this side glass off because we took it off the other one. We took the other side off. I can't. What did you do?
Huh?
Drop my knife?
Oh, gloves.
No.
You know.
You didn't cut yourself, right?
No.
Get gloves on.
I had gloves on and I jumped away.
Hold on. You get connections here.
Did you do anything different?
Nope.
Nope.
Literally just cut the seal, it came off, and he pushed up, and it came right out.
Maybe try and cut it more of an angle on the seal, like get in. I don't know.
You saved one piece. Take 3 on the windshield. I moved it over. Yeah.
Yeah, we're 1 and 2 right now, so.
I guess if you want to watch the kid. Kind of hold me with this one.
Huh?
This looks just like mine.
They do the bottom. I know it does. So I'm kind of hopeful that this one. I don't think it has any scratches. I didn't cut this. Got it?
I did. I'm just going to show a little closer of this one. From my car, the seal looked a lot like this, like super dry and crusty dusty, so hopefully this is the same thing where this comes off easier because it's so dry, whereas the other one, the green car, was it was like more intact, so hopefully that's a good sign for us here. Hopefully. You never know. We're clearly not glass people. Ass people. This is the same thing as my car. How it was crusty like that.
A little better, but yeah.
I'm afraid to do that.
Why?
As opposed to
Just letting the seal do the job. I think they like used glue to help seal it. Maybe they had a leaking issue or something, but it's annoying because now we broke it.
100 times.
Yep, twice. 2 windshields.
Oh fuck! Here. I scared myself.
How's it coming?
This one's loose.
I'm gonna have you and him do it. Are you ready for him?
Yeah.
Sure.
He
So-
threw junk in the car.
Gonna have Jacob and Travis. I'm gonna have them pop it out. I don't know. This is our last chance at
It's wiggly though.
glass.
It's moving a little bit.
It's
Go so
Yeah.
slow.
You come over here. Slow pushes.
Okay, let me take that baby.
All right, here's this one.
Our favorite babysitter, Jacob. Do you love your Jacob? Yeah. All right. No pressure, but don't break it.
Yeah, you gotta put some pressure.
No, I said like no pressure. Like, gonna.
Sweet.
Sweets?
Sweets.
Camera car, not a Swedish car.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Whoa, whoa! It just falls over.
Woohoo!
Okay. So now
Can I
where to
hold it?
put them?
Can I hold it for a second?
Little baby.
Yay!
Thank you.
So I'm just momming it. He's over it. But Jacob and Travis are, oops, as I whack my little baby, getting us all safe and secure. Look at that.
That's one that's upstairs.
Team RAC Garage coming to help little old Kelly build.
Here, you're 10 feet tall.
All right, guys, so I figured I'd show you what I got from these 2-parts cars because they are gonna get scrapped in a couple hours. So I'll just show you before these go, and we of course have no space here. So we can't keep them just for funsies or for the kids to play in or whatever. So I'll just show you guys what I got. So this was the transmission that was in this car. I'm not gonna keep it or do anything with it. I might keep this, just, you know,
So should we scrap that?
shiny. I got the hood, which will replace this. I got this, which is an E21 starter. We don't know if it's gonna do anything. Probably doesn't work, but still super cool to have as an option. Mom life. This came with it, with the deal, so that's great. These were just, yeah, that's Mommy's car. These were in here, and they didn't realize that they were in pretty good shape. So I'll be able to put these on my car because mine are all rotted. Yeah, have a drink. We have this, which I'm probably just gonna sell or something like that because I don't need it. I have this pedal box, which is great. I have this, of course, which is super exciting. So I In my last video, we ripped this out and come to find out it's actually in better shape than mine, this engine. So I'm going to just rip out the engine and totally replace it with this transmission, everything. It's not a 5-speed, which is obviously way cooler, but still better than automatic being a 4-speed, you know? All right, and then, da 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 da. I don't need, hi honey. Always. No! The only thing the star of the show, the windshield. So yeah, lots of good stuff. Happy that we bought it. It was such a good deal that it was kind of like a no-brainer for us to just, or for me to just buy it and then take what I needed. I mean, the windshield's amazing, the engine, the transmission, like it's all super worth it for just putting in a little bit of work. It's hard having the kids that I can't do as much as I want, but hopefully, I don't know, down the line we get a little bit more help to do more stuff. But yeah, so the scrappers will be coming in a little bit and I'll just try to get a clip of them taking the stuff, and that will be it with these 2 parts cars. And thank you guys again so much for watching and subscribing and commenting. All that stuff really helps me out on this channel, and I so appreciate it. It's so crazy that so many people are here on this little journey building this car, just out in my crazy, in my driveway, freezing my buns off for this car. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.
These right on the side.
We're in New York City, people. We're not in the country no more, baby.
Want the guy bending over in the picture, but yeah, but you can't get the ice rink. Like,
Yay! We got a New York bagel. See what the fuck is all about.